So for today, I'm going to show you how do we make logistic regression in rapid manner. But first, let me show you what type of data set that I'm going to use. Here, I have I have parent graduated data set, which have uh, 5 attributes: parent grad, gender, income level, non-siblings, and graduate. Now let's go to rapid miner. First step, we're going to import the data set, parent graduate. Click import my computer, the location where the data set located, desktop. Here. Hit next. The data set. Here's the data set. Next. Hit next again. Then put it in data file page. Here we can see the attributes of the chosen data set in the results. Now let's try to build our design in rapid miner. First step, let's try to drag our data set in the process tab. Okay. First, we need to use the set roll operation. Set roll and drag it in the process tab. And let's connect it first. Then result. Then set roles allows us to choose what we will go to, what type of attribute we will go to make the independent variable. So I choose the attribute graduated. And the target role will be neighbor. Let's try to run. Now you can see we have 100 example, one special attribute, which is the independent variable graduated, and 4 regular attributes, which is parent grad, gender, income level, and number of siblings. Next, let's try to split our data using split data operator. Drag it, the process tab, then split partitions. In partition, let's try to do. Let's try to let's input ratio, which is 0.7 and 0.3. This ratio is for training and testing data. It's okay. Then run. Now you can see, you will see here in the example set, the total number of observation is divided into 70 and 30%. Now our data set is 70 examples, still one special attribute, and 4 regular attributes. Next, let's try to input logistic regression. Logistic regression. Then run. So we have here our coefficient slope and our intercept. You can see Nash screen here. Next, let's try to apply model. Apply model. Ranking. Then connect this examine to UNN. Then hit run. So forgot to connect also the lab and also the model. Then let's hit run again. Now you can see the total computed value for yes and no, the predicted other confidence value for yes and no for graduated. Here you can see that the highest value is yes, 94.44, which is he will totally graduated. Not in the low confidence low, which is 0.056. Next, let's try to check the performance. Performance matrix for this data set. We're going to use specification because we are using logistic regression model. Then let's try to remove this first. Disconnect this lab to lab performance. Then model. Wait. Connect this first. Then connect this also. Hit run. You can see that the accuracy is 88.57, which tell that it is a good data set. Now let's go to our history for our confusion matrix. Now the confusion matrix says that the 62 observation will be graduated and total it will be total graduated based on the observation, and 8 only will not going to graduate. So you can see here that that's 88.57%, which yes, it's a good data set. Now let's try to check the logistic regression in cross-validation. But first, let us save this file first. Save process. Logistic regression. It's also good to check for the validity in the cross-validation, or we will go so that we will have a we're going to have a choice on what is the best result for this data set. So first, let's drag our data set, then set role, connect this filters, then the result, set value for the graduate, then target one label. And after that, we're going to use cross validation operator. Validation operator. Then hit it twice. After that, input here the logistic regression operator. Grab and connect. And for testing, let's use apply model. Apply. And performance. Performance. Specification. And then test log, then performance. Well, then go back to the process, exchange this connector to performance, and yes, then click result. So you can see that the accuracy is 88.88% exactly. I think it is just it's also it is the same as the other process in making logistic regression. But the thing is 88% and 87.40 uh is also is a good data set. But the uh regression matrix has a different result step. So mm, here the graduated is 88 and the graduated is only 11 because we didn't let use we didn't use the data. That is why we have 100 observation in this style of making logistic regression using cross validation. So that is it. That's how that is how we use rapid miner for logistic regression. That's all. Thank you.